What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Bluetooth speakers that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Sony SRS XB100 is a compact and portable audio solution designed for those on the go. Its can-shaped design, coupled with a color-matched fabric strap, makes it easy to carry, emphasizing its portability. Despite its small size, this speaker packs a punch in terms of features and performance. Durability is a key highlight of the SRS XB100, boasting an impressive IP67 rating for both water and dust resistance. This makes it a reliable companion for outdoor activities, ensuring it can withstand various environmental conditions. In terms of connectivity, the speaker supports wireless Bluetooth, allowing users to connect and stream music easily from compatible devices. With a range of up to 131 feet, users have flexibility in placing the speaker for optimal sound enjoyment. The battery life of up to 16 hours ensures extended usage without the need for frequent recharging. A USB Type-C port facilitates convenient charging, and an indicator keeps users informed about the remaining battery life. Sound quality is a standout feature, offering powerful and clear audio with a deep bass. The inclusion of a sound diffusion processor expands the sound far and wide, enhancing the overall listening experience. The speaker also supports hands-free calling with a built-in microphone featuring echo-canceling technology. For those seeking a versatile and durable Bluetooth speaker with an affordable price tag, the Sony SRS XB100 is a compelling option, delivering a balance of portability, performance, and ruggedness. With its competitive price point of approximately $60, it offers excellent value for money in the portable speaker market. The JBL Charge 5 is a powerhouse of audio performance, combining JBL Original Pro sound with a range of features that make it a versatile and durable choice for music enthusiasts. With an optimized long excursion driver, a separate tweeter, and dual JBL bass radiators, the Charge 5 delivers impressively rich and clear audio, ensuring that the big room sound is not compromised even in outdoor settings. A standout feature is the speaker's long-lasting battery, offering up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. This extended battery life ensures that the fun doesn't have to stop, allowing users to enjoy music all day and into the night without worrying about recharging. Designed for on-the-go use, the Charge 5 is IP67 waterproof and dustproof, making it resilient against water, dust, and sand. This durability makes it an ideal companion for various environments, from poolside parties to park picnics. The speaker's robust design extends to its Party Boost feature, enabling the pairing of two JBL Party Boost compatible speakers for stereo sound or linking multiple speakers for an even more incredible auditory experience. Beyond its audio capabilities, the Charge 5 goes the extra mile with a built-in power bank function. This feature allows users to charge their devices directly from the speaker, adding a practical element to its functionality. Available in a range of colors inspired by the latest street fashion trends, the JBL Charge 5 not only sounds great but also looks stylish. Priced at around $180, it offers a well-rounded package for users seeking a high-quality Bluetooth speaker with durability, impressive battery life, and the signature JBL sound experience. The Marshall Emberton is a powerhouse of portable audio excellence, offering a harmonious blend of rich, clear, and loud sound with a design that reflects iconic Marshall aesthetics. Boasting true stereophonic technology, this compact speaker produces a unique multi-directional sound experience, creating a 360 degrees audio environment where every spot is a sweet spot. Designed for on-the-go enthusiasts, the Emberton is a wireless and waterproof marvel, featuring an IPX7 rating that allows it to be submerged in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Its robust silicone exterior and solid metal grille not only enhance durability but also contribute to a sleek and easy-to-use design, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures. With over 20 hours of playtime on a single charge, the Emberton ensures that the music doesn't stop. A quick 20-minute charge can provide an additional 5 hours of playtime, adding to its convenience and portability. The multi-directional control knob simplifies user interaction, allowing control over play, pause, track skipping, volume adjustments, and power on and off. Weighing a mere 0.7 kilograms and designed to fit in the palm of your hand, the Emberton epitomizes portability. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it guarantees seamless connectivity, exceptional audio quality, and wireless music playback within a 30-foot range. The speaker's design seamlessly marries contemporary technology with Marshall's legendary design, featuring signature details like the solid metal grille and iconic Marshall script. Priced at $100, the Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker is not just an audio device, it's a statement piece for those who appreciate both superior sound and classic aesthetics in their portable audio experience. The Zebronics ZebAction is a versatile and portable audio solution that delivers a powerful 10 watts RMS output. Featuring true wireless stereo functionality, it allows users to pair two ZebAction speakers for an immersive stereo sound experience. The speaker supports various connectivity options, including wireless Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, microSD, and even comes with a built-in FM radio. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, the ZebAction boasts a playback time of 12 hours, making it ideal for on-the-go use. The charging time is approximately 5 to 6 hours, ensuring a quick turnaround for continuous usage. The speaker's 4-ohm impedance and frequency response range of 120 Hz to 20 kHz contribute to its impressive audio performance. The design of the ZebAction is not only functional but also stylish, featuring a fabric finish and available in 3 color options: red, blue, and black. The inclusion of media and volume control adds convenience, while the call function enhances its usability as a hands-free device. With support for USB and microSD cards up to 32 GB in size, the ZebAction caters to various media sources. The 1-year warranty provides users with peace of mind, ensuring the reliability of the product. In summary, the Zebronics ZebAction Bluetooth speaker is a feature-rich and aesthetically pleasing portable audio device that combines powerful sound with versatility, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a well-rounded audio solution. The Tribit StormBox Flow stands out as a powerhouse in the portable speaker market, seamlessly blending rugged design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. This compact yet robust speaker is specifically crafted for outdoor adventures, making it a reliable companion for beach trips or travel. The StormBox Flow takes the audio experience to new heights with its pulsating sound, offering distinct vocals and powerful bass. The proprietary X-Bass tuning DSP technology elevates the bass by 9 decibels, creating a transformative and pulse-pounding music encounter at the press of a button. Its ability to outperform competitors becomes evident in the enhanced bass and remarkable 30-hour battery life, a feat achieved through the revolutionary run-stretch technology. Whether the user is on a musical journey or a serene outdoor retreat, the StormBox Flow ensures uninterrupted tunes, and its Type-C port facilitates a swift 4-hour recharge. The speaker offers versatility through its true wireless stereo and party mode, allowing users to pair two speakers for an immersive stereo effect or elevate gatherings with amplified volume in party mode. Customized EQ modes, accessible through the Tribit app, enable users to tailor the sound to their unique preferences and surroundings, providing a personalized listening experience. The thoughtful design allows users to position the speaker upright for an intimate music experience or lay it flat for wider sound dispersion, catering to personal or group preferences. With Bluetooth 5.3 ensuring an ultra-stable connection up to 100 feet away, the StormBox Flow is an ideal wireless companion for outdoor adventures. Priced at around $80, the Tribit StormBox Flow Bluetooth speaker offers a budget-friendly option without compromising on durability, battery life, or sound quality, making it a top choice for those seeking a versatile and reliable audio solution for their on-the-go lifestyle.